Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a circle scenery of the nature. Let's draw a big circle here. Then we draw a line along this space. Let's make this a little darker. These are very far away and on a long distance. The outlines of the trees and mountains on a long distance from here. All right. Let's draw a big sun from a half circle. Few clouds here in the sky. The reflections on the water is the reflections of the mountains as you see there. The ground with few grasses on the ground we can see here. Let's draw a boat on the water. Let's make the boat the darkest, so it's all black and black color. There's a man on the boat. All right, we can make it sailing around. Make the sails like this, another sails like this. All right, and put the shades on the water here too. This is pretty much the drawing. Now we can put little color. Let's make the water the blue color here, little blue on this side too. These are the darker part, like these clouds floating on the sky. Let's put some light blue shade in the sky. And some light blue shade on the water too. The trees here are green. Mountains also looks green. Green. grasses here, a green too. Yellow cells. Let's put some shades around the sun to put more emphasis over this drawing. And few grasses needs detailing too, like we make more darker to make it clearly visible. All right. This is the framing. The drawing, we are getting to an end here. After the drawing, it looks nice. All right, I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.